You're trying to track your body composition, not just weight, but muscle mass, fat percentage, and how your body changes over time. A regular scale doesn't cut it. You want detailed insights, and in 2026, Robi claims its S11 Smart Scale can deliver just that. But is it really worth it? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test the most popular health and fitness tools so you can make an informed choice. Today I'm putting the Robi S11 scale under the microscope to see if it's truly a standout or just another smart scale. I spent several days using the Robi S11 in different settings, tracking weight, body composition and trends. I tested its app integration, its precision across multiple users, and how it performs when measuring segmental body data, arms, legs, torso. I also compared it to other smart scales from well-known brands and read real customer reviews from sites like Robi Store, Coolblue and Bol.com to understand both praise and common complaints. After this hands-on experience and research, I have a balanced view of the S11's strengths and limitations in 2026. Robi markets the S11 as a smart body analyzer rather than just a scale. Its key feature is segmental body analysis. It can differentiate measurements, like fat or muscle, from your arms, legs, and trunk. Other claims include high precision via 8 electrodes, Bluetooth connectivity to sync data with an app, multi-user support, up to 24 profiles, a large clear display to show measurements right on the scale. It sounds powerful, but those features only matter if they're accurate, consistent, and practical to use. Let's break down how well Robi actually delivers. Step 1. Build quality and design. The S11 has a sleek black safety glass platform, 30x30 cm, and a non-slip surface. According to its manual, it can support up to 180 kilograms, which is very generous. Galaxus Robi Store. The device feels robust and stable underfoot. Step 2. Measurement accuracy. Robi uses BIA, bioelectrical impedance analysis, with 8 electrodes, 4 on the foot base and 4 in the hand grip. Robi Store that enables segmental body measurement, providing separate data for limbs and trunk. According to Robi Store, this enables data per body part, where exactly you're losing fat or gaining muscle. Robi Store. The weight resolution is 100 grams, 0.1 kilos, and the maximum weight is 180 kilograms, come Galaxus. Step 3. Display and data. Robi S11 features a large LCD display showing not just weight, but body fat rate, BMI, muscle mass, bone mass, body water, and more. Manuals lib +1. These values are easily readable, and the scale shows them immediately after weighing. Step 4. Connectivity and app integration. The S11 supports Bluetooth 4.0+, and pairs with the FitDays mobile app, which syncs all data to your phone. Fitwinkle. The app stores historical measurements, shows trends, and supports multiple users with up to 24 profiles. Galaxus. This is very useful if you want to track progress over time. Step 5. Power and battery. The manual notes a 300 mAh battery inside the scale. Coolblue manuals. Some versions mention AAA battery power, depending on the regional model. Fitwinkle. According to user guides, it can be recharged via USB-C or replaced to maintain its usage. Step 6. Reliability, privacy, and use cases. Users on Bol.com highlight that the scale's measurements are reliable and consistently sync with the app. Bol, on the other hand, some people on Reddit caution that BIA measurements by any scale are based on estimates, not gold standard medical devices. Body composition scales just use an algorithm. It's not even showing you correct information. Reddit. Also, the manual warns users with pacemakers to avoid using it. Manuals plus. So, is the Robi S11 scale the best smart scale for you in 2026? Here's what I think. Strengths. It offers very detailed body composition metrics thanks to its 8-electrode segmental analysis, making it ideal for tracking muscle and fat in different body parts. The app integration is strong, the display is clean, and the build is solid. Considerations. As with any BIA-based scale, the numbers are estimates, not lab precision measurements. Accuracy depends a lot on hydration, measurement conditions, and proper grip. Battery design, USB or AAA, depends on your region and may affect convenience. Also, the scale is less relevant if you only care about weight. My verdict: the Robi S11 is a very compelling smart scale for 2026, especially for fitness enthusiasts, strength trainers, or anyone serious about tracking body composition over time. It's more than a basic bathroom scale, but it's not a clinical DEXA machine either. If you're okay with estimated data and want rich insights, it's a strong pick. If this review helped you decide whether the Robi S11 is right for you, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We review the best health and fitness tech every week, so you make smarter choices. Hit like if this review was useful, and drop a comment below telling me what measurements matter most to you. Weight? Body fat? Muscle? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you choose the tools that actually help you grow. Not just weigh yourself,